Hello everyone and happy Monday. I hope your week is off to a fabulous start. We're so excited this week because let's face it, spring is around the corner, although it doesn't necessarily feel like it, but I know we are entering a time where we are doing a lot of spring cleaning and cleaning out our closets and transitioning our wardrobes. So this week we invited Miss Amelia to pop on and talk to us a little bit about some hacks and tips and tricks to make the closet transition just much smoother for us. So thank you for joining us, Amelia.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm ready to give some closet clarity, as it were, and yeah.
Super. Okay, so I have a couple questions.
Sure thing.
My first question is, how do we keep from feeling overwhelmed when we're really transitioning our closet and going through those phases?
So it's an excellent question, and that is one of the biggest sort of challenges that people have. The change of season is where we've got all of our sweaters, our coats, everything that's sort of lining our closet racks, and we're just like, what are we gonna do? I need more room. And my favorite thing to do is go ahead and rotate seasonally. So I actually have a stockpile of those big plastic bins. You can get them anywhere, but my favorite tool for this is the vacuum bags.
Love it.
And actually this one doesn't even need a vacuum. You can get them in packs of 5, 10, so on and so forth. You just roll it up and it flattens it out quite nicely. I actually have a big Planet Puffy jacket in here, if you can believe it, and it's nice and flat.
Oh my goodness.
So that allows you to sort of save your clothes for the next
Incredible.
season. And I do the same thing with spring and summer, but what I do keep staple in my closet are things like jeans, camis, little overcoats, leggings, things that I know that I'm gonna wear no matter what the season. So I color coordinate them and organize them by style so that I look good no matter what the weather is. Easy to put an outfit together.
Yes, oh, I love that. So let's say that we rotated our closet, we followed all those tips, but we have so many clothes that we still don't have room. So what do we do?
Right, and that's the other thing is like, what else can we do? Do not underestimate the power of a really good hanger.
That's true.
So I love velvet hangers. It means nothing slips off. I also absolutely adore scarf hangers. It's got multi-compartments. This one in particular has even little hooks that you could put necklaces and lots of scarves or whatever through.
Love that.
I do like a good pant hanger, but say you don't have a lot of those in your closet, you can actually get a box of these neat little clips that go on the end of the hangers, and it's much more inexpensive than going out and buying a whole bunch of new pant hangers. So I love that.
Love. Okay, such great tips. Okay, so one last question. We all have those pieces in our closet that we just absolutely love, but we don't wear, but we don't want to get rid of them. So then what do we do?
So that is an excellent question, and this is where the ribbon technique comes into play. So basically you're going to get yourself a little bright colored ribbon, and you're going to designate a certain area in your closet, and you're going to tie the ribbon around the rod. At the end of each time you wear an outfit, you're going to take that outfit, you're going to put it behind the ribbon, and you're gonna try and leave it alone. So,
oh man.
Yeah, it's a challenge. So everything that's in front of the ribbon, that's what you're going to try and wear. Now inevitably, you're going to pull from behind the ribbon like a pair of leggings or wrap pants, but the goal is to see the pieces that are behind at the end of a season, 3 months or a season. That's usually how I do it. And you're going to see what you never even bothered to put behind the ribbon at that point too. Then you can kind of say, I genuinely haven't worn that in so long, and then you'll kind of know these are the pieces that I want to take to the warehouse to get credit for Loretta.
Yes.
It's a very simple technique, and it works, and then you can really see your closet with clarity.
I love all of those tips. I'm super motivated. I'm gonna go clean out my closet right now. You're the best, Amelia. Thank you for all of those tips. I hope you girls feel super encouraged to go clean out your closets now. Follow these great tips, and remember, whatever you don't wear anymore, please bring to the warehouse and we'll take care of everything for you. Have a fabulous week, girls. See you soon. Bye-bye.